And then I'm going to discuss the queries. First of all, for MongoDB, I use use database name to create the database, and I use the db collection name insert to insert all documents into different collections. And for those numbered questions, first of all, to get all documents in the movies collection, I use the db.movies.find.pretty. The pretty here is just make the results easier to read, and get all the documents with writer set to Quentin Tarantino. I just use the db.movies.find. Writer writer is Quentin Tarantino. And for the get all documents where actor include Brad Pitt, I use this query. And this query is to check whether an array contains this element in the documents. And for get all documents with franchise set to The Hobbit, I use this query db.movies.find franchise is The Hobbit. And for the get all movies released in 90s, I use this query. And this LT means less than, and GT means greater than. And for update documents, for the first question, db.movies.update with title The Hobbit on Unexpected Journey, and set the franchise to the given text. And the question 2 is a bit similar to the question 1. And for the question 3, add an actor named Samuel L. Jackson to movie Pulp Fiction. I use the db.movies.update with title Pulp Fiction and push the actor named Samuel L. Jackson. And this push means it will push the value into the actors array. For the text search, it's all the question a bit similar, so it's just db.movies.find synopsis contains the given text, and some questions are combined with the and or conditions. For the delete documents, I use the db.movies.remove with the title Pee Wee Herman's Big Adventure, and the same applies to the question number 2. For insert relationships, for to insert user for users collection, I use the db.users to insert with a given data, and the same for post collection. And for the comment collection, I take a slightly different way because it requires the post to be the post object ID of the post. So my query, my um, the my query is db.comments.insert username, and it's good guy Greg comment is hope you got a good deal, and the post is referenced to the to the object ID of the post in posts collection. And to find all users, I use db.user.find. And for to find all posts, I use db.posts.find. And to find all posts that was authored by good guy Greg, I use db.post.find. Username is good guy Greg, and the same applies to the find all posts that was authored by scumbag Steve. To find all comments, I use db.comments.find.pretty, and to find all comments that were authored by good guy Greg, I use db.comments.find. Username is good guy Greg, and the same applies to the question number 7. For question number 8, I first set up a variable called post ID, and this post ID is the object ID of the collection with title report a bug in your code in post collection, and I use db.comments.find post $ID is equal to post underscore ID, and this find the find all comments belonging to the post report a bug in your code. For Postgres, first I create a table movies. First I need a movie ID and it's serial and it's a primary key, and the title is varchar with length 50 and it's not allowed to be none, and writer is varchar with length 450, and year is an integer. Franchise is varchar with length 50, and synopsis is a varchar with length 200. And these are the queries to insert data into the movie tables. And the reason why I leave writer, year, franchise, synopsis to allow to be known is because in the data, there, in the data, the Pee Wee Herman's Big Adventure and Avatar, they don't have those properties, so I make those fields uh, allow allows data to be none. And and there and for the actors, because there is a many to many relationship exists between the movies table and those actors, because you can say uh, the Brad Pitt appears in many movies. Uh, so we need to create an two extra tables, which are actors table and movies actors table. First, the actors table, it contains the actor ID, which is serial and primary key, and the actor's name, which is varchar with length 50 and is not allowed to be none. For the movies actor table, I I have a movie ID, which is integer and referenced and is referenced to the movie ID in movies table, and actor ID is also referenced to actor ID in actors table. To get all documents in movies table, I use select all from movies. To get all documents with writer set to Quentin Tarantino, I use